Pav Baji recipe. Pressure cook 4 to 5 potatoes, mash them coarse. In a pan, add 5 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin. Add 1 teaspoon hing or asafoetida. Add 2 finely cut onions and stir fry till transparent. Add 1 teaspoon saunt or ginger powder. Add salt per taste and mix. Add 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. Add 3 medium-sized tomatoes cut fine. Cook till it turns mushy. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. Add 1 teaspoon chunky chaat masala. Add 1 teaspoon chilli powder. Add 1 tablespoon Pav Baji Masala. I used Everest. Add half a cup of water and mix. Add the mashed potatoes and mix. Coat the spices evenly for 5 minutes. Add freshly cut coriander, 1/4 cup water and some more salt. Mix well. Add 2 teaspoons Aamchoor or raw mango powder and mix. Add 1 tablespoon kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Add 3 sprigs spring onion greens. Add some more fresh coriander. Simmer for 5 minutes. Toast the pav on a pan with butter. I have used Brittannia's pav. Serve the hot pav bhaji. Garnish with onion, fresh coriander and lemon. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Do you know that we have similar videos? Do take a look.